Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily add a black noise effect to your photos or videos in CapCut PC. So you can start by adding the photo or clips that you want to edit. Here I'm using a photo. And to easily add a black noise effect, you can just add two effects on CapCut right here and go to the video effects. Here you can click on the search bar at the top and then just type in black noise as the keyword. Hit on enter. And here you can see there are there are two options of black noise effects that you can use for your clip. There is this one right here and also this one. So let's try out. Let's preview it first. Okay, so this is the first option and this is the second option. You can just choose which one that you want to use. For example, I'm going to add this one. I'm going to just click on the plus icon. Here you can adjust the length, and under the details in here you can also adjust the atmosphere, the filter, and the speed of the black noise. Okay, let's see the result. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.